Carbon monoxide, or CO, is an invisible, odorless, and tasteless gas that is produced by burning fuels such as gasoline and charcoal. When released indoors, CO can build up and poison the air you breathe. Symptoms of CO poisoning include headache, dizziness, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. Exposure to high levels can cause loss of consciousness and even death. Fortunately, you can prevent CO poisoning in your home. Install a CO detector and periodically check the battery. Always run generators on a dry surface at least 20 feet from your home. Never burn charcoal or use portable gas stoves indoors. Never leave an automobile running in the garage, even with the garage door open. And have your chimney or other heating system, water heater, or any other fuel-burning appliances professionally serviced every year. These precautions can keep you and your family safe from carbon monoxide poisoning. For questions, call Florida Poison Control at 800-222-1222. For emergencies, dial 911. Learn more at floridahealth.gov.